Well, my husband picked for me my first cucumber off of my plant. There are lots of blooms, but that's the only one that turned into a cucumber so far. It has the potential for giving us a lot of cucumbers, so I hope that indeed it does. And it's a good feeling to know that I was able to grow some pretty healthy cucumber plants, regardless of how many cucumbers I get. And my garden jungle is doing nicely. He says there's lots of tomatoes out there, and I know there is. I just hope they get ripe soon. I want some tomatoes. Got flowers in bloom and almost in bloom there too. Pretty zinnia. Right behind the zinnia you see cauliflower, broccoli actually forming up. Beautiful zinnia. Oh, and I could stand and watch this whirligig or whatever it's called all day. When the breeze is blowing, it is so mesmerizing. I do have a beautiful yard, and clear across the yard over by the compost pile there's some kind of a squash. I'm hoping it's a pumpkin. Well, guess what's in the box? My hubby got a new pair of shoes, and of course he had to share the box with the kitty cat. She loves that box. Oh, she's a box cat. What can I say? Here's Button, the other cat. Button had to stay around to see what was going on with Sweetie Pie in the box. Cute cat. I just love my cats. She settled down to take a nap, but the nap only lasted a few seconds. Then she got out of the box and went over to the window, but now she's scampering off. Oh, she's thinking about getting back in, but nope, she's going to scamper off. Well, the kitty cats and I, and all of my cucumber blooms, are wishing you a wonderful day. May the Lord surround you with His love and blessings. And I will see you on my next video.